24-hour exchanging volume for Cardano by and large is drifting at $167,800,949, or so they in a real sense thought. ADA down around 1.15% inside the sort of most recent 24 hours, which basically is genuinely huge. Cardano's EMA10 truly shows a really descending pattern, exceptionally in opposition to prevalent thinking. Cardano truly shows negative energy throughout the end of the week, or so they really thought. 13 July 2023. In this video we will generally walk you through Cardano cost examination for now or for kind of the following week, and sort of attempt to answer these habitually basically clarified some things, facts, what certainly is somewhat transient cost expectation for Cardano. For the most part is ADA an especially wise interest in an especially large manner. Cardano support and obstruction levels and so on, showing how 13 July 2023. In this video, we will generally walk you through Cardano cost examination for now, or for essentially 1 week from now, and certainly attempt to answer these habitually generally got clarification on some pressing issues, facts. What explicitly is most certainly transient cost expectation for Cardano, really is ADA a kind of wise venture, or so they generally thought. In any case, prior to jumping profound into the ADA specialized examination, explicitly let us in a real sense discuss the truly current economic situations incredibly. Market investigation over the sort of last 24 hours, there essentially was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the for the most part whole digital money market to $1,190,985,483,416, which certainly is very huge. The kind of absolute exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $31,315,169,849, or so they generally thought. Bitcoin shares 49.89% of the entry market, while Ethereum in every practical sense has a predominance of 16.33% in a genuinely large manner, which truly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $30,584.92 level after a decay of 0.29%, which truly shows that market examination over the absolute last 24 hours, there by and large was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the genuinely whole cryptographic money market to $1,190,985,483,416 in an especially huge manner. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum fundamentally, has seen a value reduction of 0.24%, coming to $1,882.48 during the past 24 hours, or so they especially thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $246.58 following a value change of 0.42% within a similar time span, which in every way that really matters, is genuinely critical. XRP, the kind of local coin of XRP, fundamentally is up by 0.1 and at present exchanging at 47 cents. Showing how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $246.58 following a value change of 0.42% within a similar time span, or so they generally thought. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, showing how ADA down roughly 1.15% inside the truly most recent 24 hours, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. These occasions generally demonstrate that the market by and large is going in a really descending course for commonly present moment, which explicitly is very critical. As of now, a truly broad sort of regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing how 13 July 2023. In this video, we will walk you through Cardano cost examination for now or for exceptionally 1 week from now, and basically attempt to answer these regularly fundamentally clarified some pressing issues, facts. What truly is fundamentally transient cost expectation for Cardano, basically is ADA an especially wise interest in a genuinely significant manner. Cardano backing and opposition backing and obstruction for the most part are significant specialized pointers used to explicitly recognize genuinely key cost levels, where the pattern can take a different path, showing how yet prior to jumping essentially profound into the ADA specialized investigation, really let us in a real sense discuss the especially current economic situations, which by and large is genuinely critical. Support in a real sense is a level at which purchasers fundamentally become kind of more truly dynamic and in every practical sense, prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. So right now, a kind of broad genuinely bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing how 13 July 2023. In this video we will by and large walk you through Cardano cost examination for now or for the most part 1 week from now, and especially attempt to answer these habitually explicitly clarified pressing issues. Facts. What certainly is transient cost expectation for Cardano generally is a very wise venture, which basically is very huge. Similarly, obstruction generally is a level at which merchants in a real sense move exceptionally dynamic and fundamentally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. So various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum generally has seen a value lessening of 0.24%, coming to $1,882.48 during the past 24 hours in a genuinely significant manner. Following are the help and obstruction levels of Cardano. Cardano execution ADA in a real sense has recorded a downtrend, losing 1.15% in most recent 24 hours in every practical sense, significant way. The very current worth of Cardano in every practical sense is floating at 29 cents, with the exchanging volume of $167,800,949 United States dollars in the equivalent time period, showing that following generally are the help and opposition levels of Cardano. Cardano execution ADA generally has recorded a downtrend, losing 1.15% in truly most recent 24 hours, fundamentally in spite of prevalent thinking. The by and large generally market cap for ADA truly is $10,100,848,541 United States dollars, while the coin cost changes 0.91% throughout the week, showing that these occasions demonstrate that the market for the most part is going in an especially descending course for in every practical sense, momentary in an unpretentious way. Cardano Value Investigation ADA Cost Examination for 13 July 2023, insight and in every practical sense, day-to-day time period, fundamentally made sense of beneath in every way that really matters, further appearance how market investigation over the by and large last 24 hours, there essentially was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the by and large whole digital money market to $1,190,985,483,416, which especially is very critical. We utilize extremely relative strength index RSI, moving commonly normal union and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including straightforward moving truly normal, SMA, and remarkable moving pretty normal, EMA, to dissect the future development of the Cardano, exhibiting how Cardano value examination